Of course, if you missed any of tonight's performances, you know I got you. I fixed you up a little something. Take a look.
All the reggae music causing the commotion. When the music in me coming like a potion. Of any I will soar into the sky. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, everything will be alright. It's everything alright. This is my story. This is my story. A song full of the faith that the dark past has taught. So I'd like to know where you got the notion. Said I'd like to know where you got the notion.